So now you've received your Hero cycle. Let's assemble it. First take a scissor and cut the packing band and the tapes. Now inside you'll find a semi-ready cycle, a rear carrier, mudguards and other assembly parts in the bag. Now pull out the cycle frame and keep it. Inside you'll also find the front basket and a backrest angle. From the pack we have a front basket, rear mudguard, back carrier and the backrest angle. From the bag we got the two tools you will need for assembling: the screws, the seat backrest, pair of pedals, the handle wrapper, pair of training wheel arm, the training wheels, the seat post and the saddle. Now let's start assembling the saddle. Just insert the seat post inside the saddle like this. Take the spanner and tighten the screws by twisting it clockwise and it's ready. And now our saddle assembly is complete. Let's keep it aside for now. Now let's fix the backrest. Take the backrest plastic cushion and the nuts first. Look for the 4 holes. Place the given 4 nuts inside. Then take the backrest angle and the bolts. Now take the backrest angle and ensure that all 4 holes on the angle are aligned to the nuts of the plastic back cushion. Now place the washers, roll in the bolts and tighten it with the spanner. Make sure you do the same with the remaining 3. Now our cycle backrest is complete. Now let's assemble the training wheels. Inside the pouch you'll find a pair of wheels, their support arms and a pair of nut bolts. First take the wheel, remove the wheel cap and place the support at the center of the wheel like this. Then place the given washer and insert the given clip in the side hole. Now take a common home plier and firmly twist the clip on one side to fix it. Then place the cap back and the training wheels are ready for fitment. Follow the same process for both the wheels. Now let's fix the handle. Let's cut the plastic strings. Make sure no paint surface is damaged in process. Now let's take this handle and place it in the head tube. Slide it in and tighten it with the spanner by turning it clockwise till it's firm. And now the handle is ready. Now take the front brake wire, place it from the ends and slide it in the brake lever groove. Pull the brake and now it's properly placed. Repeat the same process for the other side. Now let's remove the front wheel. Cut the plastic strings and remove the wheel carefully from the crank arm on the side and keep it aside for now. Now let's tighten the training wheels. First take the spacer and slide it in like this. Place the training wheel arms here. Then slide the rear mudguard clamps in. Then place the rear carrier. First remove the nut on the seat tube and fix the rear carrier on it by sliding in the nut and tightening the bolt on the seat tube grooves. Then place the carrier's rear clamps inside. Make sure they are firmly in position on both sides. Place the washer and then tighten the nut using the given spanner. Repeat the same process on the other side and then it's all set. Now let's place the saddle backrest. Take the ready backrest unit. Note the central position where it needs to go in the seat tube. Place it over the seat tube. Slide in the saddle post through the backrest angle inside the seat tube. Pick up the bolt and tighten it with the given spanner till it's firm and fixed. After the seat bolt, tighten the carrier bolt firmly and it's ready. Now let's fix the front mudguard. Note the mudguard clamp placements. Now take the given spanner and unscrew the nut and remove it. Slide the mudguard in the nut, aligning it with the groove and tighten the bolt, but not firmly. Now take the front wheel we had kept aside. Note that the front wheel should be fixed with the arrow pointing clockwise on your left side of the tire like this. Now pick up the cycle frame from front, remove the base support and place the front wheel aligning it with the axle. Make sure that you check that the arrows are in clockwise direction on the tire. Now place the spacer on both sides. Then place the front mudguard clamps on the axle. Then slide in the given washers on both sides of the axle. Pick up the bolt, roll it in, take the given spanner and tighten it all the way till it's firm on both sides. Now let's fix the front brakes. Push the front brake calipers all the way till the brake pads nearly touch the rim. Pull the brake wires all the way and tighten the nut bolt till it is fully firm. Make sure that in the pull brake position, the brake touches the rim on sides and tighten the wires completely. The front brake is now fully ready. Fix the rear brakes the same way. Pull the rear brake calipers to final position. Make sure the brakes nearly touch the rim on the sides in the pull brake position. Pull the brake wires all the way and tighten it with the spanner till they are fully firm. And then you can roll the extra wire if needed. Now the pedals. There's a left one with an L on it and a right one with an R. Place and fix the right one on the right side. Tighten it by rotating the bolts clockwise till they are fully firm and pedals turn smoothly. Follow the same procedure on the left side by rotating the bolt anti-clockwise. Now let's fix the front basket. Note the positions of 3 big holes where the fitment will be placed. Now take the attachment washer plate, place it on the top, slide in the nut on one side on top and roll in the bolt from the other side. Follow the same steps for the other top hole. Now take the bottom washer plate and place the nuts from the top and roll in the bolts from the bottom. Now take a common screwdriver and the given spanner. Hold the bolt firmly from the other side with spanner on one hand and turn the screwdriver clockwise to tighten the nuts all the way till they are fully firm. Follow the same steps for tightening the bottom nuts and the other top nut in the basket. Now the basket assembly is all set. Then take the screwdriver and tighten the bells. Then place the handlebar cover if your bike has it. Remove the packaging wrappers, ensuring that the bike's paint is not scratched. And voila! Your little one's hero bike is ready for a ride.